Uh-oh, the Armada won't start. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the battery for this 2008 Nissan Armada. Now, if you just need a base battery, the model number that you need is a 24F. However, if you have heavy-duty electronic or mechanical stuff and you need more power, I would recommend to get a 24F AGM so that you have more power on your vehicle. Now, before proceeding on removing the battery, there's actually a 12mm bolt at the bottom holding the battery in place. That's holding the battery holder. So use your 12mm socket and extension to remove the bolt. If you have some lubricant that you can put some lubricant first. Right now I'm already recording, so I'm gonna put lubricant later when I'm putting it back. With the bolt loose, the base holder is loose as well, so we can take out the battery later. The battery terminals are locked in by two 10mm nuts. One is on the side, one is on top. So use your 10mm socket and wrench to loosen them. Start with the negative terminal. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen. Once it's loose, take out the battery terminal and put it out of our way. And then do the positive terminal as well, which is already loose, surprisingly. Now take out the battery terminal and move it out of the way. Now take out the battery. Just be careful as it is very heavy. Clean the base of the battery from loose dirt and or debris. Now let's put in the new battery. With the new battery, don't forget to take out the battery cover terminals, because a lot of videos I saw that they keep forgetting to take out the covers. Now start by reconnecting the positive terminal. Tighten the 10mm nut. Turn it clockwise to tighten up. Now install the negative terminal. Double check that the terminals are tightened, because you don't want loose terminals, otherwise it might have loose grounding or loose connection. Now let's tighten the base holder at the bottom. Let me move the camera for better angle. I don't know if it shows well on camera, but the base holder is actually adjustable. So make sure you adjust that it's firmly holding the battery in place before you tighten the bolt. So it should be holding the battery and the battery should not be moving around. Now once satisfied, start tightening the 12mm bolt to hold the battery. With the bolt tight, make sure that the battery is not moving around and that it's snug. And as you can see, it is not moving. Finally, let's start the car to make sure that we don't have starting issues anymore. And that is how to replace a dead battery for this 2008 Nissan Armada. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJeff, and thank you for watching. And that is how to replace the dead battery. And thank you for watching. Hi. And that is Now, if you're not towing and you just need a base battery, your battery model that you the battery model that you need is a 24F. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the battery for this 2008 Nissan. Blah, blah, blah. I would recommend to get the 24 AGM, 24F AGM. Or you have heavy duty stuff in your vehicle. Electronic stuff. Now, if you just need a base model battery and you're not doing anything, if you're not towing and you just need a base battery, you need a 24F AGM. But if you have heavy duty stuff or heavy duty mechanical stuff, powered, I would recommend a 24F AGM for more power. Now, if you just need a base battery and you don't have anything, you just need a base battery, the model number you need is a 24F. But if you have heavy duty electronic or mechanical stuff on your vehicle, then I would recommend to get the 24F AGM for more power. And that is how to replace a dead battery for this 2008 Nissan Armada. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJeff, and thank you for watching.